Welcome to the video lecture on digital electronics. In the previous lecture, we discussed about how to convert the binary numbers into octal and hexadecimal numbers and the vice versa. That is, the conversion of hexadecimal and octal numbers into binary. So, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about how to convert a octal number into hexadecimal number system. So in this conversion process, the direct conversion of octal number into hexadecimal is not possible. So first, the given number is converted into binary, and then that binary number is converted into hexadecimal. So it is an indirect conversion. The direct conversion is not possible. So let us see first how to convert the octal number into a hexadecimal number system. So it is a simple two-step procedure. In the first step, convert the given octal number into its equivalent binary number. That's the first step. In the first step, the given octal number is converted into binary number by writing the 3-bit binary equivalent of each octal digit. In the second step, the binary number which is obtained in the first step is converted into its hexadecimal number by partitioning the binary number into 4 bits each. So this is how we will convert the octal number into hexadecimal. So first we will convert the given octal number into binary, and then that binary number is converted into hexadecimal. So let us see one example. For example, convert octal 72 into hexadecimal. So this is the one example. In this example, we've been asked to convert a octal number, that is 72, into hexadecimal. So let us say first write the given octal number. So the given octal number is 72, and this number should be converted into binary first. So the binary equivalent of the given number is, we will write down the 3-bit binary equivalent of each octal digit. The first octal digit is 7, its binary equivalent is 3 ones. Next octal digit is 2, its binary equivalent is 0 1 0. This is the first step. In the second step, this binary number is converted into hexadecimal number by partitioning the entire binary number into 4 bits each. So this is my first partition, 4 bits. In the second partition, there is only 2 bits. So in order to make it a 4-bit partition, add 2 zeros. Now write the hexadecimal equivalent of each 4-bit binary number. So the first number is 0011, that is 3, and the second 4-bit binary number is 1010, that is nothing but 10. In hexadecimal, 10 is represented as A. So this is how we will convert the given octal number, that is 72 base 8 is equal to, in hexadecimal it is equal to 3A base 16. So this is how we will convert the given octal number into hexadecimal. So first it is converted into binary, and then it is converted into hexadecimal. Now we will discuss how to convert the hexadecimal number into octal. So in the similar manner as we discussed in the previous, octal number into hexadecimal. So here also the direct conversion is not possible. In the first step, first convert the given hexadecimal number into binary number first. The first step, First, we will convert the given hexadecimal number into binary, and then that binary number is converted into its equivalent octal number. So very similar to the previous procedure. First, the given hexadecimal number is converted into binary. That binary number is converted into octal by partitioning into 3 bits each and writing the each octal equivalent of 3-bit number. So let us see with an example. For example, convert A7 base 16. This is an hexadecimal number to octal. So a hexadecimal number is given, that is A7, and been asked to convert into octal. So first write down the given hexadecimal number. So my given hexadecimal number is A and 7. First this number is converted into binary. So I will write the binary equivalent of my hexadecimal number by writing the 4-bit binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit. The first hexadecimal digit is A, that is nothing but 10, which is represented in binary as 1010. My next hexadecimal digit is 7, which is represented as 0111 in binary. So here each hexadecimal digit is represented in 4 bits each. And next I will convert this binary number into a octal number. So now I have to convert this binary number into octal by partitioning the above binary number into 3 bits each. This is my first partition. This is my next partition. And if you observe the third partition, it is only 2 bits. In order to make it into a 3-bit partition, add 0. Now I will write the octal equivalent of each of these 3-bit binary number. So my first partition is 010, that is 2. The next partition is 100, that is 4. And my last partition is 111, that is 7. So this is what the octal number of the given hexadecimal number. So my given hexadecimal number is A7 of base 16 and its equivalent octal number is 247 of base 8. So very simple procedure. First convert the given number into binary and then into the octal. So that's all for today. Thank you.